30 mils worth into the glass. The gin.
Oh, gin. Can any other gin substitute?
Yeah.
No problem.
So when it comes again the question about substitution, if you're going to be substituting a different kind of brand, let's say if you want to use a different kind of gin, most of the time it's okay. Nowadays gin are very they come in a lot of different flavor profiles, but most of them will have juniper. Correction, all of them will have juniper, and then the way they vary is a different kind of herbs they try to incorporate in, and the citrus as well. Most of them will taste the same, they'll smell very different. So you want to be mindful of what you're going to be substituting with. It gets a bit more riskier if you're going to switch, let's say, gin for rum or tequila or things like that. You'll know that rum and tequila come in different colors as well. That also is because they come in different flavor profile. Right? If you want to be super safe, if you ever want to substitute a certain spirit with vodka, go ahead. Vodka, by rule, it's supposed to be very neutral, flavorless, odorless, and clear, right? And this was actually how vodka even penetrated the US market many years ago. Just to give you a bit of story, the US, or people in the US always drank whiskey. Whiskey was the primary liquor they used to drink. It was very hard for vodka to kind of penetrate, and how they actually marketed themselves was that they were a drink, a spirit you can actually enjoy, even at the office, anytime you want, purely because it was colorless, odorless, you just couldn't tell if you were drinking water. Way more harder to notice than whiskey. So with that out of the way, let's start making a drink. So with the gin inside 30 mils worth, next you're going to be taking your grapefruit sparkling, and then we're going to be throwing in about 60 mils worth. Right, so just open up the can, and then you throw in 2 jiggerfuls of the 30 mils. You can just drop it also. If you want, you can just pour it. I'll tell you when to stop. If you're taking a video, it's easier. 60 enough.
You can actually count, right?
Yeah, some button. I cannot. I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, good enough. Okay, third ingredient, we are going to be finishing it off with your lime. Right, so grab your lime, try to get dirty again, just squeeze as much lime juice as you can with that. The amount we're trying to go for is about 15 mils. If you want to pour inside a jigger and then pour inside your glass also can. Not a problem. Very nice people. Very nice. Colors are looking great. You'll notice that this grain has a beautiful pink hue. And of course the last step, just take your bar spoon and mix it up inside. And it's the same, we're going to use the same methodology for the garnish as well. You see the color and you know what the flavor profile is going to be like. You're free to do whatever you like. Throw in whatever garnish you feel best that will elevate the cocktail. And then after that, we are done with the third cocktail. Please, same thing, take a whiff, and after that, take a sip.
Not the one to be so sour. That's all. That's it. Some garnish.
If you're not getting enough lime juice, that's okay. It's not too alcoholic. Any citrus amount will help. Just throw it, mix it up, put in your garnish, and then you're going for it. Just go for it. Just go for it. If you don't mind sharing with us about the third cocktail you made, and then one of the flavor profiles. This one for gin. We have prosecco and water. Spirits. I'm sorry. Audrey, share with us about the third cocktail. Tell us what they're getting from it. I'll go for it. Take a sip. Go for it. Come on, drink now.
I like the color.
Like the color?
Sparkling grapefruit. Sparkling grapefruit. This sparkling grapefruit no sugar one.
Some of them come in no sugar. Like
Doesn't matter lah. Doesn't matter lah for.
no, I don't think some no sugar, but the ones with most probably with sugar. That's right.
So okay lah. For sugar also okay lah.
So it's okay. I mean, obviously as a bartender, we want zero sugar so that we can, because we can add in our own sweetener, right? So it's like, you know, when you're cooking, and then when there's butter, the question is like, you want to use unsalted or
Salted
salted
or
butter?
unsalted, yeah.
Right? Normally the chef will say use unsalted because you can add in your
You
own.
can add later, control.
So using that same rationale as a bartender, I would like to use zero sugar.
Zero sugar.
But as if I'm just someone without experience, I just want to make something real quick. That's fine with me.
Okay.
It's easy actually. It's much easier.
Then for the lime and versus lemon, because lime more sharp, maybe the acidity
Correct, you're
sharper.
right. So even though lemon and lime both have the same acidity profile, but then the flavor, lemon a bit more sweeter, lime a bit more sharp.
sweeter,
just
sharp.
like you said.
Yeah.
So that's why. But there's also a reason why some older cocktails actually all use lime, because back then lime was just cheaper.
Yes, true.
So now
Lime is more
lemon,
abundant.
now lemon, people understand that. Then they also started mixing the two together. You'll find something called a sour mix. Sour mix is basically
Sour
like
mix.
80% lime, 20% lemon. That's
okay.
because like lime was cheaper, so
Yes,
you
yes.
you blend the flavors.
Yes.
But now the price is more or less the same, so you find lemon being used mostly.
Just now you mentioned some of the big clubs where they serve a lot of drinks. It's more so-called efficient if they have a specially made like juice instead of squeezing one by one. You have the special
The
lime.
C2SA one, actually cocktail bars will use more because yes, it does produce more juice, right?
Yes.
But you need quite a bit of man hour to settle it. Like you need that knowledge. And then that's the thing. Like club bartenders, for them efficiency means the least amount of time taken and the cheapest.
Yes,
to get what I
cheapest
need to
also,
get
of course.
my guys drunk.
Correct.
My guys drunk. Cocktail bartenders, they a bit more artistic in that sense.
Yes.
They do not mind taking the time
Yes,
at their own time to
slowly
like
make-
go and learn, and then come to the bar and then like make it happen. So if you want a bit more of an elevated experience, a bit more healthier, or a cocktail with a bit more meaning behind, in the sense of intent, yes, cocktail bartending, then they use this
I
super
see.
secret. But you won't find it in clubs. Because I think they even
Club
use,
is very fast.
I think even like marigold orange juice also they use. I never worked in a club bar, but I would not be surprised if they use that. Because it's just,
True.
it saves a lot of time.
Save a lot of time.
I've done like big events, I have seen some of the bartenders use that. Yeah. Alright, so everyone, I am actually going to wrap up this mindful mixology class. You all can just enjoy the drinks.